Hey superstars, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark. I am the systems and automation specialist of our company Ivy Leads. And now we are down to another CRM tutorial that will definitely excite you, as it excites me personally. Because right now you can turn this new feature to your purchase pages to enable a new payment option. Now we're not talking about credit card because that's already available. This feature will allow you to actually let your prospects or clients to be able to use Google Pay or Apple Pay to purchase your products using your funnel or any purchase page that you have. It's as easy as 1 2 3. The first step is just making sure that your purchase page is a version 2. What I'm talking about is when you go to your sites and, for example, funnel. Let's use, let's go to website. So this works both with funnels and website. Let's do this one. So this page, as you can see, is on version 2. Now just make sure that you have your purchase page in version 2. If it's not in version 2 yet, it's as easy as clicking something to upgrade it to the version 2, and you just have to do this simple step. Let me find a funnel that is not version 2 yet. Let's say hmm, this one. So this is an old, very old funnel that we're not using anymore, but let's use an example. So right now this is in version 1. You can, find this button in the right hand corner of your screen, upgrade to version 2. So just click on that, button to be able to upgrade that. And then, type in upgrade and click on yes, upgrade, and then it will, upgrade the funnel. Now, once your funnel has been upgraded to version 2, then you just have to go to settings and then go to payments. Oh, actually it's already here. So go to payments in the menu bar and then go to integrations, and you can find here the toggle enable Google Pay and Apple Pay for all your payment purchase pages. So just click on that button and then click on yes, confirm. Now, what happens is that all your purchase pages will have that option, for your clients to use, in purchasing your products. Now, let me show you an example. Well, this is on the desktop version, so it's not really going to show the Google Pay and Apple Pay. It just, they have to use a phone to be able to see that. But just to show you, you know, how it would look like. So for example, this is two-step order form. Once you put your name here, for example, I am a prospect. And once I click on complete purchase, before you can only use credit card, but right now you can find here other, which is kind of like the wallet um icon. Now when you click on this and you're using a phone, then you can use Google Pay or Apple Pay. you know well, I am using computer, so it doesn't show here, but for Google or Android phones or Apple phones, it will show the Google Pay and Apple Pay options so that they can use that to pay for the purchase. All right, so you don't need to do anything else. Once you turn that on in the payment setting, it will automatically be available to all your purchase pages. Now this is going to be easier for your clients and prospects because some people don't use, or they want to use Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever is available in the market. All right, if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, let us know so we can give you more clarity. And if you want to learn something specific for your CRM, let us know so we can create it for you specifically. Hope you have a beautiful day and see you soon.